AG House by Studio Porto Arquitetura in Jardim Karáíba, Brazil. In Uberlândia, architect Camila Porto signs the AG House residence. The project brings together minimalist architecture in communion with nature. Uberlândia, 2023. Located in the Triângulo Mineiro, the AG House project emerges as an interesting testament to a good combination of repertoire within contemporary living. Designed for minimalist lovers, architect Camila Porto delivered a residence that met expectations due to seamless integration with a careful selection of natural elements that catapulted it to the forefront of architecture. The briefing requested by the owners of the office had a clear guideline: a single-story residence that incorporated contemporary design, privileging space integration, functionality, and a bright leisure area. The emphasis on raw materials and natural light, in addition to efficient ventilation, combined with the inclusion of green spaces, became the backbone of the concept's narrative. The project, accommodated on a trapezoidal contour plot with a slight slope, still stands out for the influence of minimalism and modernism. The L-shaped layout was strategically positioned to optimize solar incidence in the dwelling, as well as take advantage of a necessary integration with the surrounding nature. This intention reveals the architect's meticulous attention to detail in the ensemble. The house provides a unique experience of privacy in the intimate area, while the visual connection with the surroundings is accentuated by an impressive Cumaru wood window, which opens to a beautiful garden. Natural elements such as ribbed concrete, granite, and marble confer authenticity to the spaces, while expressive choices, such as Sho Sugiban and Tawari woods, shape the shell of the dwelling and give it a unique identity. The technique of using charred wood Sho Sugiban gave an artistic touch to the project. The luxurious coating is perfect for both external and internal application. The materials were carefully selected to provide not only a unique identity to the residence but also to ensure comfort. Metal structures, glass, Brazilian natural stones, and various species of wood converge to create a welcoming and visually appealing environment, highlights the architect. Overcoming the initial challenge of creating a house from scratch, and for investment, required a balanced approach between the pillars of architectural originality, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. AG House, therefore, presents itself as a unique dwelling designed to attract a diverse audience. Overcoming the initial challenge of creating a residence from scratch, and geared towards investment, required a balanced approach between the pillars of architectural originality, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. AG House thus reveals itself as a unique dwelling designed to attract a diversified audience. The residence is, therefore, a masterpiece that is not confined to conventional styles, proposing a pleasant experience rooted in simplicity, connection with nature, and a commitment to sustainability. Its versatile and integrated design sets a new parameter for contemporary architecture, based on well-calibrated aesthetic language and functionality.